And Barak Yahweh, Barakatha, Yahusha, Barak Yahweh, Barakatha, Yahusha, Bahashim, Rakakwadash. Double honors to the apostles, the elders. Salutations to you, sincere brothers, teaching in truth and in sincerity. Lesson will be entitled, Grinders Cease. Lord will, you are edified. Article entitled, Walmart closes 100 plus stores. Temporary closures of 100s of stores. In the wake of the epidemic, businesses have been shuttering outlets left and right over the course of the last several years. In point of fact, one of the largest retailers in the U.S. is in the process of temporarily shuttering hundreds of stores throughout a number of states. Walmart has not been spared from the current retail apocalypse, at least not in terms of some locations. In the spring, the big box retailer closed some of its outlets permanently. Walmart shuttered sites in Louisville, Kentucky, Forest Park, Ohio, and Bellevue, Washington in April. In addition, the corporation shut down operations in Guilford, Connecticut, and Mayfield Heights, Ohio throughout the month of May. According to the website of a large box retailer, as of the 30th of September, there are at least 120 shops and clubs that have shuttered their doors throughout the U.S. The most recent round of restrictions will have an impact on the coast of Georgia and South Carolina. The majority of Walmart shops throughout the country are now temporarily shuttered as a result of Hurricane Ian. According to the reports from CNN, the storm made landfall on September 28th in Florida as a Category 4 hurricane, and it is currently moving toward the coast of South Carolina with the strength of a Category 1 hurricane. According to this article, many of our associates, customers, and members in the communities we serve across Florida are feeling the devastating effects of Hurricane Ian. The company said, "Our thoughts are with those impacted, and we are moving quickly to help." And personally, I think it's something more going on, and I doubt these stores reopen. However, I could be wrong. So a lot of people are and will be affected regarding these temporary or so-called temporary closings. Let's go to Isaiah 55 and verse 11. So shall my word be that go forth out of my mouth. It shall not return unto me void, but it shall accomplish that which I please, and it shall prosper in the thing whereto I sent it. So if you can receive this in the spirit, Babylon the Great is falling. Okay? 2 major prophecies must be fulfilled, okay, prior to the arrival of Yahushua. And day by day, smaller prophecies are being accomplished, okay, because Yahweh Ba'ashem, Yahushua, is bound to his word. Let's go to Ecclesiastes chapter 12 and verse 1. Remember now your Creator in the days of your youth, while the evil days come not. All right, and the Most High has activated the evil days. Evil meaning bad times. While the evil days come not, nor the years draw near, when you shall say, I have no pleasure in them. Verse 2, while the sun or the light or the moon or the stars be not darkened, nor the clouds return after the rain. Verse 3, in the day when the keepers of the house shall tremble, all right, and the strong men shall bow themselves, and the grinders cease because they are few. Hence, Walmart closes 100 plus stores. And those that look out of the windows be darkened. Verse 4, and the doors shall be shut in the streets. And the doors shall be shut in the streets when the sound of the grinding is low, and he shall rise up, he and her shall get up early in the morning, right? And he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, getting up extremely early, trying to find employment, going to temp agencies, trying to find employment to provide for you and your family. And he shall rise up at the voice of the bird, and all the daughters of music shall be brought low. Lord, will you edify? Shalom.